my Evo, I plan on changing oil as well as hooking up the remote pressure oil sending line for my oil pressure sensor. Now we can begin to take the wheel off the splash guard, which will allow us to get to the oil filter housing to put the line in. Ready. Okay. Now that we have wheel off, you can see the inside of here. You're gonna take this splash guard off. Okay. This is off. Yeah. Just gotta take it off completely. However, now the pin is in there. God damn it. Now that's off. Put this to the side. All right, now that we got the splash shield off, you have access to oil filter housing, as well as this fitting. And then there should be another one on this side right here. Since I'm doing the oil change, I'm gonna just remove the oil filter as well as drain the oil. Now that your oil is draining, you can take the oil filter off. I also must have just put this on very tightly when the last time I replaced it. All right, while that drains, we're gonna try to get that bung off so we can hook up the line. You see these two, one right here, one right here. This one's a little bit better to run the sending line. So now I'm gonna grab an 8mm hex and try to get that guy opened. I have a feeling it's gonna be tough, but yep, let's try that. Just after I stopped the video, I struggled the 8mm because it's such a short throw, but then just got a pipe from the jack. Just put a little bit of pressure, not much, and it broke away rather easily. Let's see if you can see that. Yep, this guy right there. You got our thread sealant. Open this guy out. Cleaned off the inside of the where the bung's gonna go with just the rag and some brake cleaner. Got some of that a little more cleaner, so this screws in a little bit better. Apply the thread sealant, 3/4 of the threads. However, leave the first like 2 or 3 threads free of sealant, so it doesn't get in your oil, I guess. Let's mix this up. Alright. be on there pretty tight. Hopefully it doesn't leak. And you have to, that's on. Put a little bead. Other end of this, I'll bring you guys in. There you go. Just gonna put thread sealant on that. Got the fitting on by the oil filter housing. Now it's just a matter of routing it the correct way so it doesn't interfere with the actual. Not sure if that's the correct oil pressure in the motor.